Hey guys, yesterday I was doing some calibrating of my sprayer that I built a couple weeks ago. Had a mishap. Things don't always go as planned here at my house. I do have a mishap here and there. Whoa, look at that! Ha! Look at that! Would you look at that? Okay. This is the water for my planter. I set my irrigation to come on so I could water the lawn here and water in my prodiamine. So I didn't turn that zone off, and now I've got water coming out there, out there, out this one, and over here on the front porch. It's kind of coming down. Kind of had a couple of interesting days with the camera and with the mishaps that I've got going on here. So let me turn that off here. So I need to turn this off. That should do it. So there it goes. It's turning off now. What I was saying was that yesterday I was doing a video of my sprayer and I was calibrating it so I would know how many gallons of water over this 7,500 square foot section. And I had a mishap, and I want to show you that really quick. So things don't always go as planned, and things aren't perfect here. I'm working towards perfection with the lawn, but I do have a hang up here and there. So I just want to show you that and show you what happened. I thought it was kind of funny. Oh! Oh! Would you look at that? This thing's too heavy. Little bit of top heavy. Looks like it bent up my angle iron. Ha! So that's what you get with 12 gallons of water in this tank. Gets a little top heavy. It's got to be really careful. So if you can see, that kind of bent this a little bit. So it got just a little bit of dirt and sand in the tips because the lawn's pretty sandy from all the sand that I put down. So I'm just gonna try to go for it and hope for the best. After that mishap of the sprayer falling over, for some reason, this switch right here went bad. I went to turn it on and I didn't get any pumping or anything. So I got my multimeter out, diagnosed it, figured out that this stupid switch from eBay is a piece of crap from China. This is junk. So I went down to my local Ace Hardware, picked me up a new switch and wired it into the switch on the handle. So this is junk and it's too dang bad. So I just wasted an hour diagnosing that thing. That was a pisser offer. So I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I will see you in the next one.